This tutorial guides you through managing and creating internal tasks in the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn how to access, create, assign, and manage tasks effectively. To access tasks, you click on the contact. In the contact profile, click on Activities. Under Activities, click on the Tasks tab. To add a task, click on the button Add Task. On the Create Task page, provide a title for the task. Select a type. Set a due date for the task. You can add a time as well. Assign the task to yourself or to a colleague. Set a priority for the task. You can leave Notify by email checked if assigned to another user. You can add a description for the task. And finally, you can also attach a file or a document to the task. Once you complete all the options, click the Create Task button to finalize the task creation. By default, the task is created with the status pending. From the drop-down arrow actions, you can click on View. You can also edit an existing task. You can mark as complete once it's completed. You can also mark it as pending if it's not yet completed. To view tasks in your calendar or access the All Tasks table, click the top right menu, and then click on Calendar. When you switch from Calendar to Table, you can view all the existing tasks, and you can filter by multiple criteria such as Task Status, Task Owner, Priority, and others. From this calendar table page, using the Actions button, you can add a task for a selected contact and assign it to an internal user. You have successfully managed and created tasks within HEMSP. You can now view, edit, filter, and delete tasks as needed, ensuring efficient task tracking and completion.